Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about what are play-to-earn games. Now, the crypto and NFT space has taken the world by storm, with play-to-earn emerging as the next big model. Now, play-to-earn is exactly what it sounds like: video games where players have the ability to earn revenue while they play. But unlike normal consoles or PC titles, play-to-earn games give gamers the opportunity to earn revenue just by playing a video game. Play-to-earn is beginning to catch the attention of gamers, with new titles and genres constantly being developed, all designed to appeal to the various tastes of so many gamers out there. Consider action dungeon crawlers like Diablo and Torchlight. These are titles that are most familiar with, but are you earning any sort of revenue from this? And this is where play-to-earn is changing how we view gaming. Let's say there's an indie studio developed a play-to-earn dungeon crawler that introduced NFTs. Player can now earn revenue while playing a genre that they love. Now let's look at the mechanisms of how play-to-earn games actually work. To understand play-to-earn games a little better, we gotta start to understand the mechanics behind these games. While they might seem completely normal on the surface, there are certain mechanics in the back that separate them from normal games and allow players to gain value from playing other than just entertainment. Now, earning revenue through these sort of games is usually connected to NFTs. An NFT is described as a purchasable unit of data stored on a blockchain represented by digital art. These NFT collectibles are perfectly suited for the digital world, as they represent characters, items, or even land in some cases. Now, NFTs are one factor where value comes to play-to-earn. It's not always necessary to own an NFT to earn in play-to-earn games, but in most cases, guys, this is the way to maximize your earning potentials. It's also possible to earn without actively buying NFTs for a game, but this will limit the earning power at the end of the day. Now, it can be said that a player owning NFTs in a game, he or she owns an actual stake in the virtual world itself. The NFT actually represents a part of the game that you actually own. Since every NFT is unique, this digital item is yours until it's sold. As players grind away, they'll be rewarded with the game's native cryptocurrency. These crypto tokens are built into the game's tokenomics and virtual economy, where they're automatically awarded through the game's smart contracts. Now, winning player versus player battles, or completing quests, or solving even puzzles, or selling items are just only a few ways players can earn. As players continue to earn revenue in play-to-earn games, they'll at some point want to either cash out or reinvest, but both these options are available. It is just a matter of choosing which the player prefers. Cashing out can be done through a crypto exchange, where the funds are converted to fiat or converted to another cryptocurrency. The earning could also be reinvested into the game by buying stronger characters, items, or anything else that's available in the game. Now, a question that a lot of people tend to ask is that, are play-to-earn game a good investment? The answer is playing NFT games often means investing more than just time, as many titles require players to purchase NFTs to start playing. These games have more stake than usual. This raises a question that, are they actually a good investment? In a way, NFT games are an investment because players are able to own parts of the game through the NFTs. By owning an NFT, its value will be affected by how well the title performs. If it ends up being a big success with many active players, then the NFT should see an increase in its value. But on the other hand, guys, if it's a flop, then players might see themselves stuck with a worthless NFT, or even would need to resell it at a lower price than they actually had bought it in. Now, another way to invest in NFT game is through its native token. For example, Axie Infinity is a great example of a game with a high valued currency. In Axie Infinity, players will come across a governance token, the Axies, and also the in-game token, the SLP. With the Axie token, players are provided with the ability to vote and influence the direction of the game, and thus they say as an investor. For the SLP token, which is used in the game to breed Axies, this token is earned through playing and helps player become stronger and more capable in the game. In the case of Axie Infinity, guys, both tokens are essentially ways to invest in the game aside from purchasing the usual using NFT. The NFT gaming space can be a bit of a jungle at times, so it's important to take your time and always do your research, which is crucial, guys. For example, the Polygon ecosystem continues to have a substantial growth in the NFT gaming market, with many players and projects building on their blockchain. And thanks to Polygon's scalable infrastructure, cheaper gas fees, and faster transaction time, it has become the preferred blockchain by crypto gamers and game developers. While it's important for new players to find games that they like, here's a quick list of some of the popular games of interest. For example, the first one is Decentraland, the second is Zedrun, and the third, and my personal favorite, The Sandbox. Now, obviously, this is just an introduction, an overview, you could say, of play-to-earn games. But obviously, one of the things that I always keep and mention to all my viewers is that make sure that before you jump into the metaverse and start exploring, that you have to keep in mind that this is a new world that is meant to explore and to figure out and to find out what your own preferences are. Right now, this is the perfect time in this space to continue to expand and find and play these different games, because this is an opportunity where you can change what you do and what you love into something that can actually earn you passively for a lifetime. So do let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below, and also mention if there are any play to earn games that you are actually playing right now and which one you think is the best. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, so more people can find out what are play to earn games. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.